Hi, I'm Mark Jacobs with Vaddio's Applications Engineering team. I'm here today to go through the AV Bridge Matrix Pro's Matrix Web UI for general video conferencing applications. First, we are going to start with logging into the admin part of the Web UI. So go up here to the upper right-hand corner, click on the 3 hash marks, hit admin, and then we hit the default password. Once we log in, we go over to audio, which is over in the left-hand column there. And then we'll click on over to where it says Matrix. And this is our how our default web UI is going to look. I did change, however, a few things on here that we changed where it says far end playback. And we also can change the bottom down here because you're probably going to have a computer plugged into here for doing content sharing. And we can change that where it says HDMI. We can make that say computer if we wish. That way we all know what that is and what's coming in on that input. On the upper left-hand corner, you'll see it says speech lift. And that you can designate one of the line inputs to be 3 dBs hotter than the other inputs in case you want that person to be louder during a presentation than the rest of the microphones. In the middle, you'll see it says Master Output AEC Reference. That is your output that you choose to be the reference point for your acoustic echo canceling. Next to that, you'll see on the right it says Chairman Override Input. What that is any one of these inputs here, line input 1, 2, 3, and 4, as well as our proprietary Easy Mic 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can choose one of those to be 3 dB hotter than the other microphones on the USB feed out to the far end. We have an automatic mic mixer here. What this does is it takes all the microphones coming in the input and it brings them all to more of a unity level and sends them out the USB record to the far end at the same level, so no one's hotter than the other than if you do a chairman override. And the speech lift only pertains to the room output, the audio that's being sent to the local room, that it only affects that. When you have computer here, I know I'm kind of skipping over going down here, but I want to reemphasize, when you have your computer input, you also have to choose that if you want to go into the room, if you want that audio to go in the room, you're going to choose that and click the blue box on, and you're going to right click on it and you can change the gain, the cross point gain on there as well if you wish. You can do that into any one of these cross points and change the gain on there, and that way it doesn't affect the input audio getting sent to other stuff. It's only going to affect the volume on that cross point going to that output. And then you also want to choose on computer so they can get the far end audio, the content on there. You want to choose the blue box there going out to the record. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That will get you up and running to any basic conferencing application. Thank you, and I'm Mark Jacobs again with Vaddio's Applications Engineering team.